Coming up on today's Panther Beat,
we find out the lore behind the Spirit Stick. Your Panther Beat starts now.
What's up, O'Fallon? I'm Robert.
And I'm Nolan, and this is your Panther Beat for Wednesday, November 15th. So, Robert, seniors always seem to win the Spirit Stick, but what happens to it after the pep rally?
I don't know, but Zach is a search for answers.
After all that teamwork, after all that spirit, the winners of the 2023 Homecoming Spirit Stick are
The Spirit Stick has been held by Mr. Bickle every year at the pep rally. Where does it come from and how is it powered? The seniors are always expected to win, but was that always the case?
So back when I went to school here, as a freshman class, we pulled a massive upset and we won the Spirit Stick as freshmen, and we carried on that legacy for the next 3 years. As far as I know, I'm pretty confident there's been no other class that has won it all 4 years. So they refer to us as a dynasty.
Well, where do they store the Spirit Stick? Well, I have no clue, to be honest. It's kind of a mysterious and elusive device. I personally, the designer of it, have only touched it once.
Where is the Spirit Stick? Alright. Yeah. Who has the old Spirit Stick? Where's the old Spirit Stick?
What was the Panther hiding? Why wouldn't they answer? In the end, we learned that the Spirit Stick's origins are unknown and that its power does not come from within, but from the student body.
Hey seniors, do you like to make people laugh? Are you the life of the party? Would you be great on SNL? OTHS wants you to apply for the February Frolics EMC.
If you want to be a host for the biggest show of the year, a Frolics EMC position is for you. Applications are available in room 607. Auditions are Tuesday, December 12th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Panther Center.
EMC positions are open to all seniors at OTHS. That means anyone can apply as long as you're in the class of 2024. Contact Mr. Printable with questions. Now is your chance to become a published artist. Submit your original work to Endeavors.
Endeavors is the OTHS Fine Arts magazine. Submit your poetry, short stories, photography, and designs.
The deadline is December 1st. Visit the IMC webpage and click on the Endeavors link.
Panthers, so I'm here to talk to you guys today about the Bookmark competition in the IMC. Find one of these posters. They're all around the school. All you have to do is scan the QR code to vote. We had over 50 entries this year, so please vote. When you go on, you'll see this little screen. Scroll all the way till you find the design you like the best and hit submit. Everybody can vote one time, even staff. So if you have a favorite Bookmark teachers, please vote as well. Voting starts on the 13th, which is Monday, ends on Friday, and the winner is going to be announced next Tuesday, the 21st.
Now over to your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Ian with your Panther Sports. Over the weekend, the boys bowling team started the invitational portion of the season by winning the 32-team Collinsville Invitational for the second straight year. There were over 200 participants in this event, and senior Jared Salzman topped them all to become the individual champion. Jared rolled 12 consecutive strikes and scored his first perfect 300 game of his career. Other Panthers placing in the top 10 were Connor Lunning, who placed third, Mason Andrus, who placed fourth, and Chase Keene, who placed ninth. Also contributing to the team's success were Landon Parmalee and Terrell Glasper. That's all from me. Now over to the birthdays.
Hi, O'Fallon. I'm Brandon with the birthdays. Happy birthday for today, November 15th, goes out to Donovan Blair, Caden Clark, Alex Criscio, Dylan Jantz, Clayton Lenz, Aaron Reyna, Terrence Ryder, Michael Shepard, Lillian Smith, and Cecilia Van. And a special happy birthday to Mr. Armstrong, Miss Porter, and Mrs. Royer. That's all for me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. Threads Club meets tomorrow after school in the Smiley IMC. Supplies are provided.
Treat Yourself Club meets today after school in room 412.
Sign Language Club meets this Friday after school in the Smiley IMC to learn new vocabulary and play finger spelling games.
Chemistry Club meets Friday after school in room 811.
Tabletop Club meets Tuesday and Thursdays in the Panther Den from 3 to 5 p.m. No experience is required. Just bring your imagination and prepare for an adventure.
Spanish Club meets today from 3 to 3:30 in Senora Sanchez's room, 310. Enjoy games and snacks.
Chess Club meets today from 3 to 4 p.m. in the Smiley Cafeteria.
Interact Club meets Thursday in the Smiley IMC to discuss an upcoming service project.
FBLA meets this Friday, November 17th. You can attend either after school or before school. Freshmen, please ride the activity bus.
That's it for you today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.